Hi, my name is Katie, and today I'm going to teach you how to use doodle.com. First, you're going to go to Google, and you're going to click in Doodle. You're going to then come here and click the doodle.com link. Once you click doodle.com, you're going to come to this page. But before we get started, I kind of want to let you know what Doodle is. Doodle is a website that allows you to schedule meeting times for large groups of people by creating and posting polls about available times and dates for the meeting. Once you've created the poll, you share its link with whoever you want to attend your meeting and poll your participants on which dates and times work with their schedule. I think it's important to note that Doodle doesn't require you to create an account, but if you want to, you can create an account. Now that we know what Doodle is, let's go ahead and show you how to set up this meeting. So we're going to go here and click Schedule an Event. So that pops up, we're going to title our poll or our meeting. So I'm going to say Kines 205. In order to go click our location, let's do ULL. And then description, let's say meeting about class. Then my name's already in here and my email address. So after that, I'm going to hit next. And then it's going to give you the dates, the available dates for your meetings. So since we only have a couple days left in January, those are in blue, those are only available dates. If you want, you can either click one date. So say you want a meeting, with the, guest professor or something like that. And you're trying to see, you for sure want it on the 27th, but you can poll your participants on available times. Or say you're trying to pick a meeting and it has to be at 1 o'clock, but you have a couple days that you could do it. So then you could pick for your poll a couple different days. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick 3 different days. I'm going to hit next. And then you have time proposals. So let's do the first one from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Then I can do 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. every day. So I'm going to go ahead and say copy and paste the first row. But then on Wednesday, I can also do from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then on Thursday, I can do from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So those are the available times for my meeting. So now I'm going to go ahead and click next. Or if you want, you can add further time slots. So if you have more, you can add more. I only have 3, so that's what I'm going to leave. I'm going to add next, and then you could decide if your poll is going to be basic or if you want to give some additional settings to it. So I'm going to go ahead and go down here. If you click this box, it says this box means like if people have if they have an excuse and they need to add a time, they can go ahead and add that. I don't want my people to be able to do that, so I'm not going to click that. I could click the hidden poll, which means the people participating in the poll can't see what other people chose, only what they chose. Participant can only choose one option, so that's pretty self-explanatory. They can only click one, or I can limit the number of participants per option. This option's used if you're trying to, say you're a teacher and you're trying to set up meetings with your students. You would only want one student per meeting. So then you'd click this, and then they'd only, like, one student could click the 8 o'clock time slot, the next student click the 9 o'clock time slot, so on and so forth. I'm going to leave my poll pretty basic. So I'm going to go up here and click the basic poll, click next. And then your last options, or your last step is everyone with the link can participate or only invited people can participate. I'm going to put everyone with a link can participate. And but if I put only invited people can participate, you could also click also I want to participate, but I'm going to do people with a link because I think that's easier. Then you're going to go here and you can click specific email addresses you want. So you can enter, say you really want this person in it. You can go ahead and add their name. You can go over here to contacts and you can go to Google or your iCloud, and you could put any contacts you have from your Google account or your iCloud account. You can also add a personal message. So the title of the meeting is, or the description of the event is meeting about class, but you can say like fill out as soon as possible. And you can click this and you can preview the email that's going to be sent. So here's the email that your participants will get, and then they'll click here to participate now. It's really easy. And then once you're done, you go finish, click finish, and then an email's been sent. So an email's been sent to my email. An email's been sent to my email, and here's the link. So I would copy and paste this link, and I would send it to other people's email, and they could answer my poll. Then here's the administration link. So I'd click on that, and this comes up. So I can close the poll whenever I want. I can edit the poll. You know, create a duplicate. I can do I can delete it. If no one's participating, I could always delete it. And then another cool thing you can do on Doodle is that once your poll is done, you can click here, close. You can, you know, look at your poll, you can save it, and then you can close it. And then you could go and you could contact the participants. So say everyone wanted to do the meeting at 8 a.m. That works for everyone. Then you could send out a notice saying, all right, the meeting's at 8 a.m. And you could go ahead and send a mass email to all the participants. So that's how to use Doodle. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much.